Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rashid here. How you doing? Ellaru hegidira. And again, a different setup altogether. I hope you would like this. And definitely, there's a dabba behind me. One more unboxing coming soon. Trust me, this product for 6R is going to look like dope is what I understand. And also I'm trying on a different setup altogether. I'm capturing the video on my GoPro with a mic topped on it, which is a Boya mic itself, which is recordable through audio, because I know there was a lot of things that came across on audio and everything, right? I'm trying my best. I definitely don't want to invest just for a expensive camera because I don't have a mic in Canon G7X that I have. So with that, the unboxing is up, and 6R is going to look dope from this. So this is from Bandidos Fitstop, right? So that's the site I'd ordered this from, and I'm sure you would have guessed it by this time, but I will keep it as a surprise until I show it to you guys. So let me show you. So it's coming with a good packaging, alright, so nothing to crib about it, and please do ignore the mess behind me. And it has something here, so I'll just show it to you. So the first thing is you have the mirror, which is the ZX10R mirror itself. This is the right one, and it also has an indicator connection. I don't have patience to wait for indication connections. Probably what I would do is I'm going to just mute it up and then going to set it up. So that's the plan. And the best part is you can adjust the mirror here, which is just in a thumb or gloves, right? Because the other one you had to move it. So this is the one side, and this is the other side of it. Yeah, so this is how it's going to look like, the two mirrors. And I'm guessing it would go either way. Yeah, let me flip it. So if the bike is right in front of you, it's going to sit in this way, all right? So that's how it's going to look like. And definitely I'm not going to install in this video because it's late night already. You can see it's quite dark. And please ignore if you don't like the light from the background. Please do comment down below if you don't like it. So I'm going to make some changes and look it more intuitive, all right? So with that, so upcoming video definitely coming up on the installation, and just stay tuned for it. And this is an extension that it comes with. I'm not sure how am I going to install. I'm guessing this has to do a hole in the chassis, which I am not comfortable. I'm just going to roll it up like this, and I'm going to just put the mirror because I want to see how it looks. I'm okay even though if this thing is lying around. So I'm going to definitely do it because it's going to be just like two Allens I have to use to install it, alright? So with that, folks, installation video coming very shortly. Stay tuned. And with that, I'm really happy that you guys are showing a lot of response on click rate ratio. Click rate views are something called as content that I make is preferred by the users, right? So they're going to click those content, they're using it. I'm so glad we are heading into a lot of things, and I'm also getting a lot of collaborations happening as well. So I'm trying a lot on Instagram. And there's also some people are reaching out to me on certain things that they want to collaborate with. So I'm taking it slowly because I don't want to mess up, because I want to make sure that I give the right content and right collaboration to you folks. So that's important is what I feel. So with that, folks, thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video, and I hope you like this content. And installation video, like I said, definitely coming soon, so wait for it. And if you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions on what I can do better, please do comment down below. With that, thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video, folks. We'll see another vlog and the content, hopefully another travel story. It's been some time that I traveled. A lot of interior things are happening, like I said, inside home. And we'll catch you another vlog. Alright, bye.